What's up, everybody? As the fourth quarter comes to an end, I wanted to share my Tesla Q4 delivery predictions. Before the pandemic hit, Tesla guided to comfortably exceed 500,000 vehicle deliveries for 2020. Since the pandemic hit, they maintained their 500,000 vehicle target delivery, but removed their guidance of comfortably. This actually has been the goal since 2014. Elon Musk was asked in an interview on the growth of the company.
Well, I feel comfortable that we'll be able to achieve at least 500,000 cars a year by 2020. And maybe we can do a bit sooner than that, but I think that's what I feel comfortable predicting.
As an investor, it is important to listen to what the executive team says, predicts, and what the company actually does. It's a good checks and balances. You are building trust with the executive team. It can also help with forecasting on the future growth of the company. If they are able to achieve this goal, it will show the progress, execution, and crazy growth that Tesla is accomplishing. In the first 3 quarters of 2020, Tesla delivered 318,687 vehicles, which puts the magic number for Q4 at 181,313 vehicles to reach their 500K goal. So now I'll walk through how I calculate my predictions. I have deliveries broken up per vehicle and location. Let's start with their high-end cars, Model S and X, which are only made out of the Fremont facility. Deliveries for these models have been down from last year. One reason for this is that there is an anticipated refresh coming to those vehicles, so consumers are waiting for the updated vehicles to launch. Tesla has dropped prices for both the Model S and X, and increased range for both vehicles, so I'm expecting this to balance some of that out. I'm predicting 17,200 vehicles delivered this quarter, which is up from last quarter, which was 15,200. The Shanghai facility deliveries are much easier to predict, since delivery numbers are available about 1 week after each month. Shanghai has just started a third shift to keep up with demand. This facility has now started deliveries outside of China. My prediction is Shanghai deliveries will be 67,100 Model 3s for Q4. I'm also expecting Made in China Model Ys to start deliveries in late January, early February. As for the Model 3 and Model Y deliveries out of Fremont, I expect that Model Y will begin to cannibalize Model 3 sales. Model Y is a better car for both Tesla and the consumer. Sandy Rowe has said that the Model Y is much more manufacturing cost-friendly than the Model 3, and it's also at a higher price point. Model 3 is also going through a refresh of a new heat pump, new frunk, new center console, and other minor changes, so I expect these new products will slightly affect Model 3 production. My prediction for Model 3 and Model Y are a combined 101,000 vehicles for the quarter. This puts my Q4 delivery number at 185,276 vehicles, which will put Tesla at 503,963 vehicles for 2020. This will be an amazing accomplishment for Tesla. 2020 has been a difficult year to forecast due to the pandemic and all the shutdowns. The fact that Tesla is well within reach and distance of delivering 500,000 vehicles is awesome for the company moving forward. The consensus on the street is Tesla will deliver 174,000 vehicles for the quarter. I can guarantee they will beat this estimate. I'm curious about what you guys think. Let me know what your predictions are in the comments below.